Bunny. Are you at home now?
Hi, Kay. Yes, I am at home. I am in the kitchen.
Nice. What are you doing?
I want to cook a simple meal, nothing fancy.
Perfect. Simple is good. What do you want to make?
I think rice, eggs, and a small salad. Easy and fast.
That sounds great. I can cook with you from here. What do you have?
Let me check. I have rice, eggs, tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, garlic, and some chicken.
Wow, you have a lot. Do you have oil and salt?
Yes, I have oil, salt, pepper, and soy sauce.
Great. First, let's wash our hands.
Yes, clean hands first.
Okay. Do you have a rice cooker?
Yes, I do.
Then rice is very easy. How much rice do you want?
Maybe 1 cup, just for me.
1 cup is good. Put the rice in the bowl.
Okay, the rice is in the bowl.
Now, wash the rice. Add water and move it with your hand.
Like this?
Yes, the water will look white.
Yes, it is white.
Pour the water out. Do it 2 times.
1, 2. Okay, now the water is clearer.
Good. Now add clean water for cooking. Use the line in the rice cooker bowl.
I see the line. I will add water to the 1 line.
Perfect. Put the bowl in the rice cooker and press cook.
Done. The rice cooker is on.
Great. While the rice cooks, we can make eggs and salad.
Yes, I want fried eggs. 2 eggs.
Great choice. Do you like sunny side up?
Yes, I like the runny yolk.
Me too. Okay, let's prepare. Do you have a pan?
Yes, I have a small pan.
Put the pan on the stove. Turn the heat to medium.
Medium heat. Okay.
Add a little oil, not too much.
Just a small spoon?
Yes, 1 small spoon is fine.
Okay, the oil is in the pan.
Wait a little. We want the oil warm, not smoking.
I am waiting. The oil looks shiny.
Great. Now crack the first egg.
I always worry I don't want shells.
It's okay. Tap the egg gently on the counter.
Like this?
Yes, then open it with 2 thumbs.
Okay. The egg is in the pan.
Nice. Now the second egg.
Okay, second egg in the pan.
Great. Add a pinch of salt.
A little salt on top.
Perfect. Do you want pepper?
Yes, a little pepper.
Great. Now don't touch them too much. Let them cook.
I see the edges turning white.
Good sign. If you want the top to cook a bit, you can cover the pan.
I have a lid. I will cover it.
Great. Just for 1 minute.
Okay, 1 minute.
While we wait, let's make the salad. What vegetables do you want?
Cucumber and tomato. Maybe some onion too.
Sounds good. First, wash the vegetables.
I already washed them, but I will rinse again.
Nice. Now cut the cucumber.
I will cut it into small slices.
Good. Be careful with the knife.
Yes, I'm careful. The cucumber is done.
Great. Now the tomato.
I will cut the tomato into small pieces.
Nice. Now the onion. Do you want a lot or a little?
Just a little. Onion is strong.
True. Cut a few thin slices.
Okay. My eyes are a little watery.
Onion does that. You can wash the knife and board after.
Yes, I will.
Now put everything in a bowl.
Okay. Cucumber, tomato, onion in the bowl.
Simple dressing time. Do you have lemon or vinegar?
I have vinegar, but no lemon.
Vinegar is fine. Add 1 small spoon of vinegar.
1 small spoon.
Add a pinch of salt and a tiny bit of sugar if you like.
Sugar, really?
Yes, just a little. It balances the taste.
Okay, just a small pinch.
Add a little oil too, 1 small spoon.
Done.
Now mix it.
I am mixing. It looks fresh.
Great. Now check the eggs.
Oh, I forgot the timer.
It's okay. Take off the lid and look.
The whites are cooked. The yolks are still soft.
Perfect. Turn off the heat.
Heat off.
Use a spatula and move the eggs to a plate.
Okay. First egg. Second egg. Done.
Nice. Now we can do chicken too if you want.
I do have chicken, but I want something fast.
Then eggs are enough, or you can cook a small chicken stir-fry later.
Yes, maybe tomorrow.
Great. Now let's clean a little while the rice cooks.
Yes, I will wash the knife and cutting board.
Good. Clean as you go. Cooking is easier.
I agree. If I clean later, it feels hard.
Same. Okay, wash the board, knife, and bowl.
I will wash them now. 1 minute.
While you do that, tell me, do you like cooking?
Sometimes I like simple food. I don't like hard recipes.
Same. I like meals with 5 ingredients.
Yes, simple ingredients and simple steps.
Also, simple meals are cheaper.
True, and healthier.
Exactly. Okay, how is the rice?
Let me check. It still says cooking.
Okay, we can prepare a small soup too. Do you want soup?
I want a very simple soup, like egg drop soup.
Great idea. Do you have water and a cube broth?
I don't have broth cubes. I have salt and soy sauce.
That is okay. We can make a light soup with garlic.
Garlic soup?
Very simple. Boil water, add sliced garlic, salt, a little soy sauce, and then an beaten egg.
That sounds good. Let's do it.
Great. Get a small pot.
I have a small pot.
Put it on the stove. Add about 2 cups of water.
2 cups of water. Okay.
Turn the heat to high to boil.
Heat on high.
While it heats, slice 2 small cloves of garlic.
I already have garlic. I will slice 2 cloves.
Great. Thin slices cook fast.
Done. Garlic is sliced.
Now, crack 1 egg into a bowl and beat it.
1 egg into a bowl. I am beating it with a fork.
Perfect. Now, when the water boils, add the garlic.
The water is starting to bubble.
Good. Wait until it boils more.
Now it is boiling.
Add the garlic.
Garlic in,
Add a pinch of salt and a small splash of soy sauce.
salt in, soy sauce in.
Taste later. It's better to add a little first.
Yes,
Now, make a slow circle with a spoon, then pour the egg slowly.
I am stirring and pouring the egg slowly.
Nice. You'll see egg ribbons.
Yes, it looks like soft clouds.
Great. Turn the heat to low for 30 seconds.
Low heat.
After 30 seconds, turn it off.
Okay, now I turn it off.
Taste it carefully. It's hot.
I will take a small spoon. It is warm, it tastes light.
Do you want more salt?
Maybe a tiny bit more.
Add a tiny pinch and stir.
Done. Now it tastes better.
Great. Soup is ready.
That was easy.
Yes, simple meals can still feel special.
True, I feel proud.
You should. Okay, now we wait for rice.
The rice cooker says 10 minutes left.
Great. While waiting, we can set the table.
Yes, I will get a plate, a bowl for soup, and a small bowl for salad.
Nice. And a spoon and chopsticks or fork.
I will use chopsticks and a spoon.
Perfect.
I am putting everything on the table.
Great. Do you like to eat in the kitchen or living room?
I like the kitchen. It feels warm.
Same, and it's close to food.
Yes.
Okay, rice is almost done. After it finishes, let it sit for 5 minutes.
Why 5 minutes?
It makes the rice better. The steam finishes the cooking.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Many people do it. It helps.
Good tip.
Thank you. Also, fluff the rice with a rice paddle.
Fluff the rice.
Yes, mix it gently so it is soft.
Okay, I will do that.
Great. What do you want to drink?
Just water. Simple.
Good. Or warm tea if you like.
Maybe green tea later.
Nice.
The rice cooker just changed to warm.
Great. Wait 5 minutes.
Okay, I will wait. I will clean the counter a little.
Nice. Wipe it down.
Done. The kitchen looks better now.
Great. Now open the rice cooker.
Okay, the rice smells good.
Fluff it gently.
I am fluffing the rice. It is soft.
Perfect. Now serve 1 bowl of rice.
I will put rice in my bowl.
Great. Put the eggs on the plate near the rice.
Eggs are on the plate.
Put the salad in a small bowl.
Salad is ready.
And soup in a soup bowl.
Soup is in the bowl.
Nice. Your simple meal is complete.
Wow, rice, fried eggs, salad, and soup. It looks like a full meal.
Yes, simple, balanced, and warm.
I feel hungry now.
Me too. Let's eat together.
Okay, I will take my first bite.
What do you eat first?
Rice and egg. I will break the yolk.
Yes, the yolk on rice is so good.
It is tasty. Simple but delicious.
Great. How is the salad?
Fresh and a little sour. The vinegar is nice,
Perfect. And the soup?
light and comforting.
Great. This is a good everyday meal.
Yes, and it did not take long.
How long did it take?
Maybe 20 minutes, plus rice time.
That's great. Many people think cooking takes hours.
Yes, but simple cooking is fast.
Exactly. Now, let's talk about a few useful kitchen phrases.
Okay, I want to learn.
You can say, I'm going to cook dinner.
I'm going to cook dinner.
Good. You can say, I'm going to fry an egg.
I'm going to fry an egg.
Nice. You can say, I'm going to boil water.
I'm going to boil water.
Great. And I'm going to chop vegetables.
I'm going to chop vegetables.
Perfect. These are very common.
Yes, I hear them often.
Another useful one, turn the heat up.
Turn the heat up.
And turn the heat down.
Turn the heat down.
Great. And turn off the stove.
Turn off the stove.
Nice. Now let's do a small role play. You are cooking and I'm helping.
Okay,
Hey, Bunie, what are you making?
I'm making a simple meal at home.
What do you have?
I have rice and eggs. I also have cucumber and tomato.
Nice. Are you using the rice cooker?
Yes, I washed the rice and I turned it on.
Great. What are you cooking next?
I'm frying 2 eggs.
Good. Is the heat too high?
No, it's medium. The eggs look good.
Perfect. Do you want salad?
Yes, I'm chopping vegetables now.
Great. Don't forget salt and a little vinegar.
Okay, I will mix it.
Nice. Your meal will be ready soon.
Yes, thank you for helping me.
Great role play.
That felt real.
Yes, cooking talk is very practical.
I agree. Also, you can talk about mistakes, like, oops, I spilled water,
Oops, I spilled water.
or I burned the egg,
I burned the egg.
or the rice is too dry,
The rice is too dry.
or the soup is too salty.
The soup is too salty. Great, but today your food is perfect.
Thank you.
If you want, we can add one more quick dish, like stir-fried garlic greens.
I don't have greens today.
No problem. This meal is enough.
Yes, I feel full already.
Great. How do you feel when you cook at home?
I feel calm. I feel independent.
Nice. Cooking is a life skill.
Yes, even simple cooking is important.
True. And it helps you save money.
Yes, eating out is expensive.
Exactly. And home food can be healthier.
Yes, I can control the salt and oil.
Great point.
Kay, do you cook every day?
Not every day, but I cook often.
What do you cook?
I cook simple things, pasta, eggs, rice bowls, and sandwiches.
That sounds easy.
Yes, and sometimes I make soup too.
Like today's soup?
Yes, egg drop soup is easy and fast.
I like it a lot.
Great. Also, if you have leftover rice, you can make fried rice tomorrow.
Fried rice is good. How do I make it simple?
Very simple. Use cold rice, oil, garlic, egg, and soy sauce.
That's it?
Yes, you can have vegetables or chicken if you want.
Nice. I will try tomorrow.
Great. Let's practice leftovers. You can say, I have leftovers.
I have leftovers.
Or, I will eat leftovers tomorrow.
I will eat leftovers tomorrow.
Great.
Kay, what if I don't know what to cook?
Then you can say, I don't know what to cook today.
I don't know what to cook today.
Good. And you can ask, what should I cook?
What should I cook?
Nice. Then you can decide, I will cook something simple.
I will cook something simple.
Great. I like this topic. Cooking is daily life.
Yes, and it helps you speak English in real situations.
Like when you watch cooking videos in English.
Exactly. You will hear words like slice, chop, mix, boil, fry, and taste.
Yes, taste is very common.
Right. You can say, taste the soup.
Taste the soup. And it tastes good.
It tastes good.
And it needs more salt.
It needs more salt.
Perfect.
I think I will eat a little more salad.
Go for it.
crunchy, fresh. I like it.
Nice. Also, the meal looks colorful. Red tomato, green cucumber, yellow egg, white rice.
Yes, it looks pretty.
Food that looks good often tastes good.
True.
Another small role play? This time, you invite me to eat.
Okay,
Knock, knock.
come in.
Hi, Bunny. It smells good. What are you cooking?
I cooked a simple meal. I made rice, fried eggs, salad, and soup.
Wow, that's a lot. Can I try it?
Yes, of course. Please sit down.
Thank you. The eggs look perfect.
Thanks. I used medium heat.
Great. The salad looks fresh, too.
Yes, I added vinegar, salt, and a little sugar.
Nice. And the soup?
It's garlic egg soup. It's very simple.
I love it. Let's eat.
Yes, enjoy your meal.
Yum. This is delicious.
I'm happy you like it.
Great role play.
Yes, I can use that in real life.
Exactly.
Kay, what are some easy, polite lines in the kitchen?
Good question. You can say, "Can you help me?"
Can you help me?
Or, "Can you pass me the salt?"
Can you pass me the salt?
Or, "Can you wash the dishes?"
Can you wash the dishes?
Nice. And you can say, "Thank you for helping."
Thank you for helping.
Great. And if you live with family, these are common.
Yes, at home we say these a lot.
Also, you can say, "I'll cook today."
I'll cook today.
And, "You can relax."
You can relax.
Great.
Kay, sometimes my food is not good. What can I say?
You can say, "It's not perfect, but it's okay."
It's not perfect, but it's okay.
Or, "I'm still learning."
I'm still learning.
Or, "Next time will be better."
Next time will be better.
Great. Very natural.
I like that.
Also, a useful line, "Let's keep it simple."
Let's keep it simple.
Perfect. That line is great for daily life.
Yes, I can use it for many things.
True. Not only cooking.
Kay, do you think everyone should learn basic cooking?
Yes. At least simple meals. It saves time and money.
And it feels good.
Yes. You feel proud and capable.
I feel that today.
Great. Now, after eating, what do we do?
We clean up.
Yes. The best line, "Let's clean up."
Let's clean up.
And, "I'll wash the dishes."
I'll wash the dishes.
And, "Can you dry the dishes?"
Can you dry the dishes?
Great. And, "Let's wipe the table."
Let's wipe the table.
Perfect.
Okay, I will start cleaning now.
Great. Put leftovers in a container.
I have a little rice left. I will put it in a container.
Great. Put it in the fridge.
Done.
Now soak the pan with a little water. It is easier to wash.
Good idea. I will soak it.
Nice. Now wash the dishes.
I am washing. Plate, bowl, spoon, chopsticks.
Great. Are you using warm water?
Yes, warm water and soap.
Perfect.
Okay, dishes are clean.
Great. Now wipe the counter again.
Done. The kitchen is clean.
Nice job. Simple meal and a clean kitchen. That feels good.
Yes, it feels good.
So today we cooked rice, fried eggs, a simple salad, and garlic egg soup.
Yes, 4 simple things.
And we used many useful English words.
Wash, cut, chop, boil, fry, and taste.
Great list.
Also, turn on, turn off, turn up, and turn down.
Perfect.
Kay, this was fun.
It was. Next time we can cook a simple pasta meal.
Yes, or fried rice.
Great ideas.
Okay, I will rest now. My kitchen is clean.
Great. Enjoy your evening, Bunny.
You too, Kay. See you next time.
See you next time.